Hazrat Urwa bin Zubair narrates that Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha said, after the command about well had been issued, the brother of Abul Qais sought my permission to enter. But I said, by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I will not give him permission until I ask its precept from Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. For Abul Qais' brother has not wet nursed me, but Abul Qais' wife has nursed me. When Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam visited me, I submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, this man has not nursed me, rather his wife has suckled me. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam thereupon said, give him permission, for he is your uncle. May your right hand get dusty. Urwa narrates, that's why Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha said, consider those ties of kinship prohibited on account of wet nursing as you consider prohibited on account of genealogy. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 6156.